Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. We have three puzzles left in the Thursday edition, Thursday, June the 27th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru, and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah, because in the weekend edition of Saturday, June the 29th, 2024, we have no extra puzzles on Sunday. It's actually today Sunday. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. And this one will be a number 8817. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the Two Stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 2 stars, and for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Is this a 2 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in the third column. No 1 and 9 in these two boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Can I do this the same with this big square? Let me see. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in these two boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left, with 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the third column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I need a 2 here. Okay, how about the 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 and 5. Alright, and now, how about Need a 4 here. How about a 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then let me see. 6, 6, yeah. How about 3, 4, 2, 3, 3. Well. Let me see. 4, 4, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 8s. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and 6 in this box. 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 7. 1 box left in this row. We have a 3 here. So this box should be a 6. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Then let me see. 7. Need a 7 there. Okay. How about need a 1 here. 3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4. I need a 2. Let me think. 4, 4. How about the 9? Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 5, 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next on the last column. The only two places left. 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 to 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 goes in there. Alright. Now, 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need a 4 here, okay. How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row? So the row below, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Need a 4 here. Come on. How about the 7? Need a 7 here. How about the 2 then? Need a 2 here. 1, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place left with 2 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next on the last column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. Only place left, the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 1 goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Faster than 14, 30 minutes. Yeah, for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yeah, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.